Hey gorgeous people, welcome back to my channel. But before we get into this Ipsy unboxing, you already know what it is. Hit that subscribe button, and then of course hit the bell to get notified when I upload a new video, because your girl uploads daily on this channel and you want to be notified and be a part of the hashtag notification squad. If you're a part of the gorgeous squad, notification squad, sound off below. And if you're new to the channel, then welcome gorgeous. Welcome to the gorgeous family. Totally hope you subscribe. But let's get into this unboxing. Your girl is shining, like so shiny. You guys know what that's from? Comment down below if you know what that's from. If you know what that's from, you're a real one. But we are going to get into this unboxing, you guys. So for starters, it's tea time. I'm about to spill this tea. You guys know I have been getting Ipsy for many years. It's been at least like 4 years. It's been a long time, and the issue I am having with Ipsy is, for starters, they were getting my address all mixed up and they kept sending my stuff who knows where. It was just a hot mess, so I ended up getting that fixed. So I was already getting my boxes and my bags late, but you're getting them even later when things are going all over the place. So I have been getting my stuff extremely late. They take your money on the 1st of the month, but you're not getting your stuff until late. Obviously, it is September 23rd, you guys, and I'm just now filming this. I didn't even get to film last month because I did not get it until this month, so that is why I'm doing a double one. It's so weird. This box is smaller than this one. They did forget 2 things that I actually paid for extra. So if you don't know, Ipsy GLAM Bag Plus is $25 a month. Free shipping. You can do add-ons. So they have add-ons that are $12 add-ons and $3 add-ons. I believe that's how it goes. So I had bought a few add-ons. I got another Luxie brush. I got some face masks, and they forgot those, so I am now waiting on those. So I decided to do a what is it, August versus September. So this is August and this is September. So we are going to look in September's first and see what we got. So we got this Apto Skincare Pomegranate Mask. I am going to be talking fast and going fast because I want to show you guys everything. I'm excited for this because your girl loves skin care. So I'm excited for that. I love trying new skincare. The next thing I got was this Illa Mosque. I don't even know how to say it. I'm not even going to try. This is the lipstick in Solar. The packaging is very nice and sleek and pretty. This really is not a color that I would go for, so I'm probably just going to give this away because this is not a color I'm going to go for. So might put this in the giveaway or just give it away. And then the next thing I got is the Sata London Extraordinary Translucent Powder. Ooh, I'm excited for that. Love, ooh, ripping the box. The packaging's so pretty. I love a good translucent powder because, as you see, your girl's always shining. Ooh, how pretty is this packaging. And I love Ipsy GLAM Bag Plus because it is full-size products. It just would suck if you get a full-size product that you do not like. And then next, ooh, I got this Madison Miller Midi Palette. This is by Ofra. Ofra always has bomb stuff. This already came ripped. I did not do that. Let's see what it looks like. Let me know if you guys want to see, like, okay, I'm gonna have to use my teeth. Sorry, guys. Let me know. That didn't even work. What the heck? Let me know if you guys want to see, like, a full, oh, how pretty. It's like a matte packaging, like it's matte. How cute. And then this is, it comes with a mirror, and then these are these shades here. Ooh, this is gonna be a pretty blush here. Let me know if you guys want to see like swatches of everything. I will show you guys swatches of this. This is already coming out and like broken. That sucks. So that, ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, look at this blush. This is so pretty. And then we're gonna do the last one. Oh, how pretty. But let me know if you guys like when I just do the unboxings, or do you guys actually like me to do full swatches of everything? Let me know. So next we have the Nomad Cosmetics in Berlin, and this is an intense eyeshadow palette. Ooh, special edition Ipsy. I could not talk right there. I think it looks dope. Let's look. I love the fact that you get a full-size eyeshadow product. Eyeshadow palette. Berlin Underground. Ooh, and it comes with a mirror. And then these are the shades here. I will do swatches of these shades for you guys. So far, my favorite color I can already see is going to be this one. It looks like a perfect transition shade, and then these two are so pretty. So that is that. So that is literally everything that came in there, and then in addition to the other two products I bought, which were the face mask and the brush. And then September is Find Your Light. September is all about new paths and possibilities. So whether it's going all out with a new bold lip shade or masking at home to recharge from within. Too bad I didn't get my mask that I paid for. Take a moment to rediscover your guiding North Star. Where will it lead you? Hashtag discover yourself. And then it has prices of everything. So that is on there. So the eyeshadow palette is $37. The lipstick is $27. The translucent powder is $22. And then this Squad palette, Madison Miller Squad palette times Ofra is $35. And then the face mask is $36. Again, you guys, it's full size product. So it literally lets you know everything. Back here it says choose a new product every month. All this stuff. They do have a whole new different glam bag thing they're doing. So I will let you guys know about that. I'll do like a whole video on that, and we'll see if it's worth it or not. We'll see. So this is my bag for August, my box. So I got these. Oh my gosh, you cannot go wrong with the whole new eye brush set. And this is by Farah, Farah, Be Beautiful, Be You. So I definitely think if I had to compare already, I would probably choose this one because I got some good stuff in here. I did pay extra for these brushes. They were $3 each. And there's a Luxie brush. I love Luxie brushes. And then there's this one, which is SS Miss Glam, I believe it is. So I got 2 extra brushes. And then again, a palette. It usually always comes with a palette, and this is by The Balm. Love the colors in this palette. Oh my gosh. So you got your shadows, you got your highlighter, and then you got your blush, and then you got your contour. It comes with a mirror. This is like a perfect everyday palette, you guys. The Balm has some bomb stuff. And then, ooh, we got a Sweet Cheeks blush palette, Adorables. How cute is this? And it's by NYX. I love NYX, so cannot go wrong with throwing a NYX palette in there. And then I paid extra for the lip pressed powder. This is Bretman Rock times Color Pop. So I paid extra for this one. I'm going to do a separate video on, look at how pretty the packaging is, this palette. So you guys can see it does not come with a mirror, which sucks. But it's a cute little palette that you could just throw in. This was only, again, $12, you guys, for this. So I paid an extra $12 for this. So obviously I paid the $25 and I paid the extra $12 and then the extra $6 for the brushes. The next thing that came is the Suva Beauty Liquid Chrome Illuminating Drops. Let's see. Ooh, how pretty are these? I want to see what this looks like because this is dope. Ooh, I don't usually use illuminating drops, but dang, that's pretty, you guys. So I definitely will be using this. And then the last thing that we got, ooh, is a Murad Hydrating or Hydration AHA/BHA Exfoliating Cleanser. Cannot go wrong with this. I'm so excited for this. Full size big baby hair. I can't wait to try this out. This looks bomb. It has like a doctor's tip back here. It says extend this cleanser's exfoliation benefits to your elbows, knees, and heels for all over smoothness. That's pretty dope. And last month was Bare Yourself. Love this. And then, okay, so the palette was $32. The NYX palette was $20. The brush set was $48, you guys. The cleansers $39, and then the hydrating drops were $26. So that is it for the boxes. Let me know which one you guys think was best. Are you guys team September or team August? Definitely for me, I am team August all the way. This is bomb. I'm glad I finally was able to film the video so I could dig into this stuff and start using it. I don't know why, but I'm the type of person where I do not use my stuff until I film. I just will not do it, you guys. I finally got my Kylie Skin product, so I will be doing a video. Yeah, I might be late, whatever, but you guys know the whole hassle. My stuff got stolen, all that stuff, so I will be bringing that video to you guys. And Ipsy videos will be back on normal schedule coming October, you guys. Ooh, October, my birthday is October 9th. But yes, videos will be coming normal in October because I'm hoping, yes, so videos will be coming back normal because I am hoping that everything gets to me on time. Again, you guys, they're sending stuff so late, so it might be later, but it probably will not. Obviously, it's not going to be another versus video. I'll try to do these every so often because I think these are pretty fun and cool too, but everything will be back to normal. And let me know, you guys, if you want to see me using the products or if you like me just showing the products. What do you guys like to see? And I will I'm gonna do separate videos on the palettes just so you guys could see like a full in-depth video instead of trying to do swatches of every single palette in this video because it's already going to be long, so I don't want it to be like 100 years long. So I'm going to do that, you guys. We are almost at 600 subscribers, you guys. You know there's a giveaway at 600, so share this video, spread the love, you guys. It's going to be a bomb giveaway, and of course give me a big thumbs up. Let's get this video to 20 likes. We can do it, gorgeous squad. And comment down below, let me know what videos you guys want to see next. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.